Hi everyone, welcome back to another sewing tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can make these really cute fabric coasters using fat quarters or scrap material. This is a really beginner friendly sewing project and really quick and easy to make. The supplies I'm going to be using today are 2 pieces of material that I've cut to be 5 inches squared, and I've also got a piece of fusible interfacing which is the same size. I've got some fabric clips, a corner turner, material pen, material scissors, and I'm going to be pressing it using my heat press mini and pressing mat. I'm also going to be sewing this today on my Singer Promise sewing machine. To get started, we're going to place the material right sides together. Then on the back of one of the pieces of material, we're just going to press on our fusible interfacing, and I'm just going to use my heat press mini and press that on. Then we're going to line up the 2 pieces of material and use the material clip to hold them together. Take the material pen and I'm just going to mark 2 lines to leave a gap to make sure that I don't sew there, so that we can turn our fabric coaster the right way round once it's been sewn. Now we've got our material prepared, we're ready to take that over to the sewing machine. Place the material under the presser foot and lower the presser foot down, and at the start and end we're just going to sew a back stitch, and I'm just using a straight stitch on the shortest stitch length. Once it's all sewn, remove the material from your sewing machine, and then using the fabric scissors, trim off all of the corners just so it's going to make it neater when it comes to turning the material the right way round. And if you have any excess seam allowance, you can also trim that off as well. Then using the gap that we left, we can turn our material the right way round. If you have a corner turner, this is where it comes in handy, just to poke out all of the corners. If not, then you can use like a wooden dowel or a knitting needle or something like that, and that will do the job equally as well. Once the material's the right way round, we need to close up the gap. So to do that, we're just going to poke in the material into the inside, and we're going to try and get a nice straight edge. Then using the heat press mini, we're just going to press that, and that's going to make it easier for us when we come to do our finishing top stitch. Now we've pressed it, we just need to take it back over to the sewing machine, and we're just going to sew a top stitch all the way around the edge, and that's just going to finish it off lovely, and that's also going to close up our gap. I'm using the same straight stitch, and then I'm going to do a back stitch at the start and end. Once you've finished, remove that from the sewing machine, trim off any of the loose threads, and now you have made your fabric coasters. These are a great way of using up fat quarters or any scraps of material that you may have left over from other projects. These are a really fun beginner craft that anybody can do, and they also make great gifts if you want to give them to family and friends. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll link below in the description all the materials that I used if you wanted to take a look, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon.